this spirit spoon for this one.
A homemaker in the kitchen, pots clinking, cooking up love flavors, never shrinking. She adores her man, feeds him like a king. Her heart in the meals, that's where the magic's been. Her love on the stove, passion in every bite. Culinary queen, her love's cuisine, hearts intertwined in a dish is serene. Cooking up joy, happiness, fresh green, filling their souls and love supreme.
Well, it's time to make dinner. So I was thinking about using up these frozen Brussels sprouts that I picked up. And I'm going to put them in the air fryer. And I'm going to use up this Atlantic salmon trimmings. And I'm going to make some salmon patties. Okay, so that's ready in the bowl. Then I don't think there's any bones in here. No, there's no bones. Okay, so I'm just going to put the breadcrumbs. And I'm going to add some salt. Sorry, that wasn't salt. That was lemon juice. Now I'm adding some salt. Magic salt. Okay, a little bit of pepper. Magic pepper. One egg. Some dry green onions. Dehydrated. And we're going to put some dill, because I want the dill flavor in here. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to mix that together. Now, I've never made salmon patties with the trimmings before. I usually use canned, and it's been years since I even made these kind of patties, right? So, oh, there's a big bone. Okay, so I think I'll add a little bit more breadcrumbs. Woo. So now I'm just going to shape them into patties. So I think we're going to make 4 patties, so 2 each. Make a meatball or a salmon ball and then flatten it down. Okay. Oh yeah. So I think it's a little cheaper to buy it this way, the trimmings this way, because a can of salmon is like $3 something now. And this wasn't even $3. And yeah, it looks like I have a lot more salmon this way. I usually buy the salmon trimmings for Bella's meals. I make her meals with that. She loves salmon. And she had salmon for lunch today. So she's not going to have this for supper tonight, that's for sure. So I'm going to give it about 5 minutes, and then I'm just going to flip them. These have been in the air fryer for 10 minutes, so I'm just going to mix them around a little bit and put them back in for another 10. Okay, so I'm going to flip them. Oh yeah. Those look pretty. Smells good. Smells really good. So these are ready. Just gotta wait for Jay to get home. This is gonna be the sauce we put on top of it. It is a dressing I made yesterday with mayonnaise, dill pickle juice, black peppercorn, peppercorn, and salt and pepper. A little bit of dill. So that will be my sauce that I'll be putting on top of this. Brussels sprouts are ready. Roasted them in the air fryer for 10 minutes. And then I put another 10 minutes. So I'm going to put a chunk of butter in there. Red hot buffalo sauce. Frank's red hot buffalo sauce. Put some of that in there. You might find this weird, guys, but I'm doing it. Worcestershire. A little bit of salt. Magic salt. I'm just going to move that butter around so it can melt. Mix it up real good. And that will be the Brussels sprouts. I have to taste one. Oh, so good. Delicious. And there's dinner. Dill and lemon salmon patties. And my Frank's hot sauce buttered Brussels sprouts. A couple pieces of cheese and some pickles. And of course, I'm going to drizzle some of that dill dressing I made yesterday onto the salmon patties. Someone always texts me whenever I make a video. Never fails. That is dinner, guys. And that's it for now, guys. That is my video for today. I just wanted to show you what I was eating this week. As you know, I'm eating healthier, so I want to show you what kind of things I like to eat and what I've been doing with the food that I do buy from the grocery hauls. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'll be showing some more videos with more things that I'll be eating in the next couple days. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'll be back soon with more videos, so keep on watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye for now. Got my jammies on. Watching a viral podcast. About to have another bite of my salmon patty. I like it. It's got a wonderful flavor.